Dear friends, I am extremely pleased and very happy to introduce Meherbani Kaur from Canada. She is a Kundalini Yoga teacher for more than 20 years as well as breathwork trainer. She has trained thousands and thousands of people. Even we had the experience of training at Annamalai University for the nurses. All of them said it's an excellent program. So now I'm going to ask her, Meherbani Kaur, could you able to tell me what actually is a breath walk?
Yes, thank you, Vishwa. Breathwalk is the science of combining specific breath patterns and rhythms with the steps that create focused attention and conditioning for the body, the mind, and the spirit.
Okay. Can you tell us what are the main benefits? Naturally, it may be having many benefits. Could you able to tell us the main benefits of this breath walk?
Yes, there are 4 specific benefits. One is stress reduction, mental clarity, vitality, and that's more than energy. It's how we engage in life. And the last one is connectivity. And as you say, there are many, many other benefits from the practice of breath work.
Can you able to little bit tell me about what do you mean by connectivity?
The connectivity is feeling connected to our own being, connected to our soul.
Yeah.
It can be feeling connected to our environment, feeling connected to our family, feeling connected to the greater human race. So it can come at any level. Whatever we need at that very moment in time is that connectivity that will come.
Yeah, very beautiful. Just could you able to tell us what are the components it consists of?
So that there are 5 main components of breathwalk in the complete program of breathwalk. The first one are the awakeners. Second are the alignment, and we'll discuss those in further videos. The third one is the heart of breathwalk, is where we synchronize the breath and the steps. So that's called the vitality intervals. And then we have the balance, so it's a cooling down, it's a consolidation. And the last component is the integration, and it's also called the inner walk. So we've walked with the feet and the breath, and with the inner walk, we walk with the mind and the breath.
Oh, yeah, very nice. So I think the next video we'll go one by one.
Yes, that's
It's
very
okay.
good.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Then.
thank you.